Okay, so the breakdown. What is HIV/AIDS? So they're both HIV, and then we'll put AIDS over on this side. So some of you have gotten this far, some of you have not gotten this far yet. So HIV and AIDS are both acronyms. What's an acronym?
That's short.
Anybody?
It's short for like
Yeah, shorter for a meaning. So basically all of these letters represent what? Words, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you break it down, HIV, anyone know what the H stands for? Human. Okay, so H stands for human. Anyone know what the I stands for? If you have the packet, you'll know. It says in there.
Immunodeficiency.
Good. Immunodeficiency. We'll break this down in a second, what this means. And how about the V?
Virus.
Virus. Okay. So HIV. If you break this down as it is, H stands for human. So it's a virus that's only present in humans. It can only spread from human to human. Once it leaves the body, it becomes very fragile. It's not going to survive. So HIV, you're not going to get from a mosquito. You're not going to get from someone coughing on you. You're not going to get from a surface. It's really only very direct human-to-human contact, okay, which is typically through intravenous drug use, blood-to-blood, or through sexual contact. Immunodeficiency. Break this down into two sections. The term deficiency and then immuno. What does immuno refer to?
Your immune system.
Your immune system. The term deficient, what does that mean? If I'm deficient.
Like, it doesn't, or like, it's like your immune system.
Shuts down your immune system, it doesn't work. So if you're deficient, you're kind of lacking, right? So HIV is a virus found in humans, and it basically attacks the immune system, makes it deficient. Okay? Makes it so that healthy immune cells, which usually target infected cells in the body, end up targeting and destroying each other. So people who have HIV infection, your immune system starts attacking and destroying itself, which is going to leave you with a very weak immune system, and it's also going to make you susceptible to getting very rare infections that healthy people typically don't get. Okay, AIDS. Let's break this one down. Anyone know what the A stands for? In AIDS? Acquired. If you acquire something, what does that mean? You get it, right? If I've acquired money from you, I've gotten that money. The I, again, stands for immuno. The D, deficiency. How about the S? Syndrome. Okay? So acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, a syndrome that you've gotten, you've acquired it from somebody that has made your immune system deficient and lacking. So AIDS and HIV are different. They're not interchangeable. We don't use them the same. AIDS is really a late stage HIV infection. It's the most significant serious phase of HIV infection. Okay, one that eventually someone will die of. And what you run the risk of is a condition called, there's another acronym. Okay, you run the risk of developing OIs, which stands for opportunistic infection, which is basically an infection that healthy people don't get because you have full functioning immune systems. People with AIDS are very susceptible to opportunistic infections because their immune system's basically shut down. Okay? Cut.